In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and videos in Milanote. If you're new to Milanote or just want to enhance your existing skills, this guide will help you get the most out of the visual elements you include on your boards. Let's start by opening your Milanote board. You can do this on your web browser or the Milanote app, whichever suits your preference. Once you're on your board, imagine it as a blank canvas where you can express all your creative ideas and plans. Adding images and videos can really bring this canvas to life, providing visual context and enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. To add an image, you can use the straightforward drag and drop method. Simply locate the image file on your computer. Make sure it's in a standard format, like JPG, PNG, or GIF. Click and hold the image, then drag it directly onto the board canvas and release. The image will appear right where you drop it. Another way to upload images is by using the toolbar. Look for the Upload File or Add Image button. Once you click it, a file dialog will open. Navigate through your File Explorer to select one or more images. After choosing, hit Upload, and the images will appear on your board. Milanote also offers a really handy feature, which is the built-in image library powered by Pexels. This is ideal if you're looking for free, high-quality photos, but don't have the right images saved on your device. To use this feature, all you need to do is search for a keyword in the library. Milanote will present you with a variety of images related to your search, and you can simply drag any of them right onto your board. It's that easy. Once the images are on your board, you might want to adjust them to fit your layout or convey the right visual impact. You can resize your image by clicking on it and dragging the corners either inward or outward, depending on your needs. This allows you to maintain the image proportions while giving you control over its size. Additionally, you can make your images more informative by adding captions. Milanote provides a toggle feature that allows you to turn the captions on and off, providing flexibility depending on your audience or the purpose of your board. For further customization, feel free to use the drawing tool to mark up the image if necessary. This can be particularly useful if you're collaborating with a team and need to highlight specific elements. Also, don't forget about cropping and rotating options, which can fine-tune the image presentation. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the placement and customization, you can lock the image in place. This prevents any accidental shifts when you're working around it or adding additional elements to your board. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to creating visually compelling boards in Milanote. With practice, adding and customizing images will become second nature, transforming your boards into dynamic and engaging visual displays.